A health alert tonight in Southern California, warning of increased overdose risks from an animal sedative being mixed with other illicit drugs. It's called Xylazine, and it's already killed people in San Francisco.
As CBS 8's David Goffredson reports, the latest alert is coming from Los Angeles, and it's likely only a matter of time before we start seeing overdoses in San Diego.
It's some kind of horse tranquilizer. It can kill you instantly, and that's what happened to my son. I miss him. Don't ever get to hug him again.
The name of the drug is Xylazine, but its street name is Trank. People have been overdosing on it for years on the East Coast. It killed Kim Seidel's son, Cody, a couple years ago in St. Louis.
I was scared, shocked. I didn't know what to do. It's affected my family. It can affect any family.
Cody's autopsy report showed a mixture of xylazine and fentanyl, which is common.
But he still had a lot of life to live.
Yeah, he did.
Last month, San Francisco's medical examiner announced 4 deaths from overdoses involving Trank. This week, an alert from Los Angeles County, xylazine is now likely present in the LA drug supply. On the streets of Philadelphia, Trank is rampant and brutal. Users frequently discover their skin starting to decompose. In some cases, it leads to amputation.
You can just walk out into Kensington Avenue and you can smell the rotting flesh. It's awful. We have a gentleman that comes in here and has been coming in every day who has a gaping flesh wound across his chest right next to his heart.
Because Trank is a sedative, the nasal spray Narcan won't work on it. There is no treatment and no way to detect it in street drugs. But experts say using a test kit for fentanyl can help. Madeline Hilliard is an EMT who volunteers to prevent overdoses in college students.
One way for recreational drug users, if you're using something like cocaine or MDMA or methamphetamine, to try to avoid xylazine would be using a fentanyl test strip because they are so often concurrently mixed. And then also, of course, you are avoiding fentanyl, which is much more lethal than xylazine.
The most dangerous risk, users sometimes don't realize that Trank is mixed in with the drugs they're taking.
Don't experiment with things that you have no clue. There's drugs out there that will kill you instantly, and this is one of them.
Now, the San Diego County Medical Examiner's Office tells me that they currently do test for xylazine in overdose cases when warranted. So far, it has not come up in any local cases here in San Diego.
Now, David, you mentioned the connection with Narcan here. If someone is overdosing on xylazine, will Narcan spray hurt them?
No, Narcan will not hurt them. In fact, since Trank, as it's called, is frequently mixed with fentanyl, giving the victim Narcan may actually help them recover somewhat because obviously Narcan does work on fentanyl.
All right, maybe a silver lining there. David Goffredson staying on top of this one before it maybe hits San Diego. David, thank you.